Welcome to CET Color's instructional web series on large format digital UV printers. Today we're going to show you how to replace the secondary ink filters. Remember to make sure the printer is turned off. Refer to our instructional video on powering off the printer. Gather your materials. It's helpful to have a tool cart to be able to place all your materials close by. You will need gloves, goggles, a sub-tank valve tool, paper towels, and secondary filters. It is highly recommended to replace all filters at the same time. Close the sub-tanks. Make sure to turn the sub-tank valve 90 degrees into a horizontal position. Unscrew the old secondary filter and remove it. Install the new secondary filter. Make sure the side with the inlet label is facing up. Screw the new filter in securely. Reopen the sub-tank valve by turning it back into the exact vertical position. Remember to make sure the printer is turned on. Refer to our instructional video for powering on the printer. To ensure positive pressure to the printhead, press and hold the purge button till pressure reaches positive 15. And that's how to replace the secondary ink filters on a CET Color large format digital UV printer. You will need to follow up this step with purging air through the vent tube to expel any remaining air from the printhead. That video can also be found in CET Color's instructional web series on YouTube.